Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by adding Apple Card where it counts. Open Wallet, select Apple Card, then confirm it's active and secure. Once done, go to Settings, tap your name, and choose Payment and Shipping to add the card to your Apple ID. Make sure billing address and contact info match the card statement so purchases validate. Enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick approval. This step sets the foundation so App Store charges route correctly and your device authorizes purchases without friction. Next, make Apple Card your default payment method. In Payment and Shipping, choose Apple Card so new App Store buys bill there automatically. Once set, purchases prompt Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. When you check out, check the item price, tax, and subscription terms before tapping buy so you avoid surprises. For apps with subscriptions, open your account in the App Store, review active subscriptions, and switch the billing source to Apple Card when needed. This ensures consistent billing, daily cash accrual, and easier expense track. Finally, monitor purchases and resolve issues. Open Wallet to view App Store charges and daily cash earned. If a charge looks wrong, report it through the card options. If payments fail, make sure your Apple Card is active, billing address matches your Apple ID, and iCloud is signed in on the device. Once done, retry the purchase. As a troubleshooting tip, if purchases still fail, contact Apple Card support from Wallet or Apple Support. Provide transaction details and screenshots so they can investigate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.